I'm Farm Dad, and today I'm going to show you how to change the fuel filter in a 1626 Mahindra tractor.
If this video helps you, please help me by clicking the subscribe button.
Now this is a real easy job to do today. First thing we need to do is pop that hood right underneath the right side front. It is a pull latch to release it. Then we just need to undo the right side, or this would be the passenger side of a car engine cover. With that off, there's the fuel filter right there. We want to clean this all up real good so that no contaminants get in our fuel system. To do that, I'm using some super clean aerosol engine degreaser. Spray this on. And wipe it back off. If you've done this on other tractors, you know that now is the time where you normally would shut off the fuel from the fuel tank to the fuel filter. On this tractor, you don't have to do that. It's going to shut off automatically. This is just a plastic housing, so try to get it off by hand first. But if yours won't come off like mine, then you can get out the tools. Just be gentle. Mine's definitely being difficult. Now, there is a spring in there that should automatically cut off this fuel loss. There it is. I'm going to reuse this O-ring. Another O-ring right here in the center that we need to retrieve. Just kind of gently pulling from all sides here. There, it's up. That one's looking pretty darn dirty. I also see a whole lot of sediment down in the bottom there. So next thing is, let's clean this all up. Fill this back up with diesel. For a new filter, I'm going to go ahead and insert it down into here. You'll feel the spot where the grooves hit. That's where you can press it in. And then I'm going to put back in that little one in the center, and then the bigger O-ring needs to also be fit into place. Personally, I wish these Mahindra fuel filters would come with new O-rings. Don't really understand why they don't. And now we just put this back on. I like to line up these bottom lines with the top lines above them. So you can see I've got these all lined up. Now I don't put down the hood or put the side cover on yet because we want to check for leaks. But before we do that, we need to purge air from the system. The good news is that this tractor does it automatically. So all you have to do is turn the key to run the glow plugs. And you leave it like that for about 10 seconds. which happens to be roughly the amount of time that the glow plug runs. Then you start the tractor. Now, if by some chance yours didn't start right up, you would simply then go ahead and run that glow plug again about 10 seconds. And while you're doing that, that's purging air from the system. It's going to confirm that there's no leaks. There's not. So I can put my covers back on and this job is done.
I hope this video helped you. If it did, would you mind helping us by clicking the subscribe button? We are a family of 6 trying to make a life on 90 acres in the Ouachita Mountains of Arkansas. And every time someone hits that subscribe button, it grows our channel and helps make this life possible for us. We appreciate you.